What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We got something coming in from GP Knives. This is my first actual Microtech. Kind of saw it go on sale, so I was like, yeah, let's give it a try. And I found the best deal on GP Knives at the moment. Plus, you get a gift card. I do remember that. Okay, you don't want to see that. This is something about the free gift card. This Black Friday, we're giving you just more than sharp deals. When you spend $75 or more, you'll get it. Oh, you get you get the $10 gift card after you spend $75. So that's cool. That works out. Oh, it actually says right there, $75 before shipping and taxes. Just promotional gift card. Use it before December 31st. Return the new reviews. Okay, cool. That's kind of cool. That's nice of them. Now I get to go spend more money. That's how it kind of goes. It's a vicious cycle when this kind of stuff happens. So you get a gift card right here. Kind of cool. Put it right there. Got a Gurkey Turkey. GP Knives. Got the flashlight, knife. Cool. Thanksgiving's coming up. Don't know when this video will come out, but I bought it before Thanksgiving, so. This is the Microtech Signature Series. I've not bought anything Microtech. I don't even think I've checked anything Microtech out, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have not. But this is going to be the Outbreak Signature Series. We got the polymer handle standard, I guess, something standard. Yeah, I think it's M390 MK for the steel, too. It doesn't say it on there, but... what's this? Another sticker right there. Microtech, follow the action. Yada yada. Knife care. Welcome to the Microtech family. Warranty. And this right here is the MSI. And this is... I cannot remember what that is. It doesn't say the name of it anywhere, so that's alright though. But we got the MSI. Let's go ahead and show that off. So I'm pretty stoked for it. Looks a little bigger than I thought. So it is, okay, I like that they actually inspect it and they label it like that. I think that's kind of cool. Kind of makes me feel better because sometimes you get knives that are like, did they even look at it before they threw it in the package? I know some people probably have seen that, but like, yeah, some companies, like, it definitely seems like it's not even looked at after it's finished and it's just thrown in a box and whatever happens, happens. Some people don't fight it and don't question it or anything like that. Just take it and then deal with it. I say that's crap. Don't do that. But some companies also aren't very, well about, or like their customer service isn't all that great. So I know that's sometimes a problem. Excuse me. Oh Lord. Okay. Slow flick it. There you go. All right. So this is the Outbreak. We got the M390 MK. Let's kind of see. It's kind of bright. I don't know if I can really get the kind of pop up right there. So okay, I don't know what the MK is. I was looking stuff up on it. Apparently it does something with the carbon base, like they're tighter together, so they make for a better steel, like a better edge retention and stuff like that, better corrosion resistant. Even though this is supposed to be the corrosion looking blade, and it definitely does look like it. It makes me wonder if it was just a bad blade and they just kind of threw some other crap on it. Like, okay, there, it works perfect for it, right? Because it definitely looks like it's been beat the crap up. But like it's the Outbreak, it's supposed to be like zombie type stuff, so I'm totally a nerd into zombies. So 10, 12, yeah, 10, 20, 24, Outbreak. Whoever has probably designed it, their probably signature. I think it's a dude, if I remember correctly. But it's supposed to look like zombie-ish, like you got the green and you got like the little bit of red blood and stuff like that. It actually looks really good. I've seen some of these and like it's really predominant. Like the green is predominantly it stands out, and I feel like this blends in. I'm pretty sure like they're all different, but I feel like this is a little less green. It's more like blended in, if you know what I mean. Call me crazy, but I just feel like it blends better than what I've seen on some of them. I like the backspacer too, titanium. I'm pretty sure, obviously. And it's also got that coloring on it too. Little tan, little corrosion looking. Dude, this thing's kind of dope. Let's try that flick again, though. There we go. So you just gotta give it a little flick with your wrist. A little more so with your wrist. It definitely is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Um, yeah, I didn't realize it was gonna be this big. Definitely. Well, the blade, I know the blade is like, I think it's almost 4 inches. But then you have a finger choil right there. For some reason, I don't remember the finger choil. So it's definitely, it's definitely a large knife. We'll see how it kind of goes. I can't wait to do, like, carry it around. Because this one is mine. I did buy this. As soon as I saw Outbreak, I'm like, oh, zombie stuff, cool, dude. Let's go, let's go get it. Because like anything sci-fi like that, I have a Predator OTF from like Predator movie stuff like that. I think it's the Heretic Manticore. So I bought that, and then I saw this was zombie-ish stuff. So I'm like, okay, sign me up. So yeah, and this plus is the RAM lock, so that's kind of cool too. This is my first time experiencing that. So this thing right there is obviously you pull these two back, these two little grips right there, and it engages the lock. Pull it back. See if the lock up. That's solid. It don't go either way, so it definitely is solid. Oh, cool. Little spacer or the stopper right there. It's got a little bit of a milling on it and everything like that, so it looks pretty cool. Dude, that's kind of cool looking. Got a little bit of texturing right there, I guess, gripping. Probably for when you're like holding, yeah. Oh yeah, so it's almost like that. So like when you're cutting and everything like that. If you're not out here, I guess you're right here maybe or something. Or just to help out with gripping, I guess. I don't know. Actually, no, I'm missing that totally right there because it's right here. So I really don't know what that's for. Maybe it's just for aesthetics, like looking and everything like that is how it looks. It looks nice. Jimping's not bad though. It's very spaced apart and I don't like that normally. But since it's got that little ramp right there, it actually works pretty nice. It actually works well. And I'm not like that. I hate when it's spaced apart like that. And it's not really too aggressive. But once you apply these two together, it works well. And it's a little thinner than I thought. The top, it looks a little thick up here, right here, like right around here. Gets a little thinner, but definitely thin at the blade. I wonder what it is, what kind of grind it is. I have no clue about that. But I like the billing on it and everything like that. That's pretty cool on the G10. And it is G10. Now it's milled on the inside too. So to also help with, oh, it's got some liners on there too. I'm gonna have to look up more on this. So it's got like little liners up towards the top, like right here, and it's for the lock right there. So just so it like engages really well. So you have these screws right here, and these screws right here for the post, and all those. Yeah, I think it's for the pivot also. So somehow, okay. So those liners on the inside, they're obviously attached all the way till about like right here to these screws. So there's a liner from here to here. The screws right here attached to this right here, the ram lock. So that's why, and then there's like grooved out on the inside for this to obviously go back and forth. So that's kind of cool. I'll have to take it apart and check it out. Sorry, I'm not real familiar on this, so I'm kind of not scatterbrained, but I'm just not unfamiliar. I'm kind of just looking at it for the first time. But dude, it's nice in hand. I will give it that. It is very large. So if you definitely have bigger hands, you're definitely you're not gonna run out of space. I do like the pocket clip too, though. I don't really feel it in hand. It just feels good overall, like aesthetics. Not aesthetics, like ergos. Yeah, I do like the pocket clip though. It feels pretty good too. I like how it definitely goes up. The screws are not like recessed or anything like that. I don't mind that because it's really kind of like a rugged look, and that's what I kind of like. I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. But it is reversible. The pocket clip is, as you can see right here, and it has a little filler tab, so that's super dope. I like that. Except, I wonder... Okay, so I just looked at it. It's not reversible. It is reversible, but I'm guessing you just put this exactly how it is and just slide it to the other side. So, like, this side that's right here would be on the inside over here. And then, yeah, back, vice versa, obviously. This is right here. You know what I'm talking about? Because if you were to change it, obviously turn or whatever, like, it's not going to work. So, because of the cutout right there. So you just actually take it from right here to here without, like, turning it the other way or anything like that, and it goes right on. And the pocket clip is kind of different too, like it's got a little gap right there and a gap right there. So it locks pretty well though. But it is recessed also, at least the pocket clip is. There you go. And this is my first time with the ram lock, and that is pretty cool though. I like that. I'm going to take that apart, like I said, check it out a little more, a little up close, see what we got going on. But I like this thing. This thing's super cool. And I don't know how much I can't remember. It was like 2 something. I got a deal on it. It was pretty much a steal. I'm going to say, not really a steal, but it was a pretty good deal. Plus you got the gift card. So I was like, yeah, let's try it. I like this though. I don't know how much I'll use it. It is, like I said, a little big. It just depends. I'm going to carry it some just to kind of give a good final review on it, just to see how much I like it. I do like it so far though. Oh, it does have the little Outbreak symbol right there, which I thought was kind of cool. It's almost got like a little Damascus look type thing, you know what I mean? A little shiny. Nothing on this side of it though. Super nice though. I like this. But yeah, I'll have a final review hopefully soon. I'm going to carry it around. Definitely check it out first. Man, look how close. Dang, look how. Yeah, that's pretty in there. Like, it's centered obviously, but there ain't much room left to right. There ain't no play really. Super dope though. I like this. That's all I got though. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I think this thing was $250, give or take. I'll have a link to it down below. Check it out. And if you like the videos, leave a thumbs up. All right. Thanks, guys.